gonna go buy banana. It's called saba in the Philippines. It's my favorite, and my dad and my mom. It's for my school output for Hele, and we're gonna go buy it there in West Zone. I don't know how to cook it, so let's see if I could cook it. Teacher said just like brown sugar and banana, melted brown sugar. So, see you guys! We're now here in West Zone, and that's the entrance. Let's go! Rianne Sep, TeeVee! Oopsie. Okay, we're here to look for banana. The green one. So this is the sago.
NANI? So this is the sago.
So this is the sago.
Sago?
The banana.
Sago?
The ba?
Sago?
So this is the saba. The banana.
Sago?
So it's different from the original banana. It's smaller. So
I found the big snail.
so we're gonna buy the small one. What about that? Ooh, mango.
So old.
How come too old? Get the green one. Get the green one like you usually do.
Different banana.
Yeah. Mami, mango loko. Mango. But we're here for banana. A lot of fruits. I want them.
Okay na to?
I think so. May I see? Old. Okay, so when we're gonna buy this already, we also need brown sugar. So we're gonna go buy brown sugar. Where is the brown sugar?
Where?
Hey,
All.
that's too many. Actually, sure, I want them.
Maliliit nga ito.
I want them. Yay, I have a lot now. Okay, we're now gonna look for brown sugar. Upstairs! We're now looking for brown sugar, and we found it already. White sugar, no, we're not allowed to buy this. We're not allowed to use this with the banana. So we need brown sugar, of course. Yay! And sticks. Look, we have already sticks at home. Okay. Great. Where's my banana? Banana! Before we start, we have to wash our hands. Our soap. First step is exactly 20 seconds. Inside, scrub, and open again. With our fingers. So guys, this is our banana, brown sugar, and oil. And we also have a container to put the Bananacue. So let's start! Yeah! And then careful for the finger. Come on, you get this. More. Cut. Phew. I don't want this to stick, so I'm doing it like this. Squeeze. Oh, it's a bit full. I hold it like this, but I'm scared, so I just do it like this. Sticking. Don't stick. Make sure when you start you have tongue and cooking pan. Let's start. We open the gas. I think it's this one. Yes. It's open. And oil. How many oil do I need?
More.
More.
Ubos.
Now we have to wait for it to be hot. Now it's hot, let's put our banana. Now let's put the brown sugar. We need a bigger spoon. We need to wait for the sugar to melt with the banana so that the sugar will stick. I'm getting some of the sugar that's from the bottom and let it stick here. Don't really know how to do this, but just stick. No, just want to stick. Be partners. So while we're doing this, we have to wait until it's the sugar will be like hard. I love Bananacue. I will eat this all. It's all mine. It's sticking to the spoon. The gigantic spoon. See that? Look at that. See, look. Ooh. Yummy. Get some of the oil and pour it since the oil is hot. So So you see, look at the brown sugar. It's already sticking to the banana. It means that it's ready. Let's turn off the fire. And while it's sizzling, let's mix it for a bit. And let's get our tongue. Tongue. And also, it's already brown, so get it. Tap, tap, tap. Let's get our container and get the oil. Yay! We got our first Bananacues. There! We got our Bananacue now! Yay! So that is our Bananacue now. I'll give it some, of course. And if you want some, I'll give it to you. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching!